Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this big country. It's a 2016. Big country is an upper level in a way, trim-wise. Really nice coach. We start off with frameless windows. Those are the craze right now, with a big awning throughout. Can't help but to see this basement. Call it a basement because it's that big. Look at that, folks, with the reel back there for your power cord, and the auto leveling right here. Push a button, you level it up, you're good to go. Let's walk inside and show you a couple more. It's a very welcoming coach, as you can see, from the stairs up to the bedroom to the residential fridge. Really nice big fridge here, and look at this. You can reach the freezer, right? Nice, good stuff. As you go throughout with the island, the big microwave, convection oven. Really nice 3-burner stove with an oven here. Fits a pizza. So that's pretty cool stuff. Your pantry, in a way, is right there. They give it more touches, homey touches here with those drawers right there. You can fit many things in here. That's big, deep. Look at that. Very nice. As you go through the coach, the flat screen TV, of course, with your fireplace. Really nice. Again, you can reach this. This is really handy, user-friendly in a way. More cupboards. And of course, your rear view right here in the back with a nice couch. Light colors, some people like that. Very nice 2 recliners up here. More cabinets as we go through the coach. And as you see, again, you can reach. I can't stop talking about that for some reason. But here's your dinette. It comes with 2 more chairs, of course. Nice island. That's for, traffic flow in a way, I call it. Let's go up these beautiful, look at that, very welcoming stairs as we go into the bedroom. Really, the light wood gives it a nice touch. Washer dryer hookup. Right there, folks. Very nice, or it can be, turned into a closet. Very nice, almost a walk-in closet up here. There is 2 sides to it. I love this shelf here for what have you, cell phones, and the controls right here for you. You don't have to walk around to find it. Nice bed, nice touches here with your own individual lights. Very nice window here if you have pets, what have you. They would like to be, hanging out here in this area. And as we go to the bathroom, which is 2 sided doors here, enclosed shower. I like this sink. People, like it or not, right there. This is a nice touch here. Modern look in a way. LED lights, of course, throughout this coach. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Again, a nice slide out here with frameless windows one more time here. Nice coach. It got a nice ladder with a cap. This cap very, protects your coach. This is a nice touch right here. A ladder to check out, see what was going on there, debris, what have you. We walk around here. Nice slide out, look at that. Beautiful. This is a really big coach in a way, 38 feet, 39. Auto leveling, can't help but see that. We got these auto leveling that we talked about with a push button. This is the other side of your basement, with 1 hub for controls, or your outside shower, black tank, gray tank is right there, and that's the reel, for your power cord. And there's a lot to talk about on this coach. Please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.